You have established a required password change interval for users. One of your users, Nina, did not change her password, even through the grace period you specified. What steps must be done to allow her access to the server again? Option A. You must enable the automatic option to extend the grace period for trusted users. Option B. You must manually delete the data in the password digest field in the person document and the user creates a new password. Option C. You must recover a copy of her ID file from the encrypted ID recovery database and send it to her for use to access the system. Option D. You must create a new ID for the user with the same name and new password and have her replace the existing one on her machine to successfully access the server. The correct answer is option B. Users in your environment have been contacting update sites and updating composite applications on their own. Your company wishes to restrict the users from this ability. Which of the following provides that functionality? Option A. Desktop Settings Policy Document. Option B. Security Settings Policy Document. Option C. Server Document for the user's home server. Option D. Server Configuration Document for the user's home server. The correct answer is option A. An Internet Cross Certificate, that can be used by only the person to whom it is issued, gets stored in what location? Option A. In the certlog.nsf on the user's home server. Option B. In the person document of the B user in the Domino directory. Option C. In a certificate document in the user's personal address book. Option D. In an Internet certificate document in the user's home server certdoc.nsf. The correct answer is option C. As the administrator, you are able to update workstation ACLs automatically by changes made to the administration ACL. You would like to change the settings for each individual person and what access they have to run certain types of actions on their machine. To accomplish this, you must perform which of the following? Option A. Place a clowner in the administration ACL with the new rights. Option B. Place username in the administration ACL with the new rights. Option C. Enter all users in the administration ACL with the new rights. Option D. Enter each individual username in the administration ACL with the new rights. The correct answer is option A.